The Bhagavad Gita is a scripture that is scientific and universal, which means it's meant for all humans across the globe. What is unique about the scripture is that it is wholly practical. Anyone can take off the principles given out and apply it in their day-to-day life in such a way that you could meet any challenge and lead a stress-free, happy life. At the same time, the Bhagavad Gita also establishes the existence of a reality, a truth that only a human being can aspire to seek and reach. That being our original nature. So the Gita serves humanity in two ways. One, to live their life in the mundane world, and at the same time seek and find the highest truth known to humanity.